Yeah, welcome to today's trade ideas and signal. Yesterday we did give a trade from this 4 hour level, and we can see, I highlighted this internal structure from this level and from this level to trade from. And at the same time, I picked this risky trade yesterday, and I told you about it. That is a very risky one. I just spotted the level that is clean. Maybe we can just do any aggressive something from it. Yeah, and from this level also, we're expecting some kind of aggressive reaction from the level also. And as we can see during Asian today, it was taken and we have a very nice movement down. So this happens to be our trade yesterday. And having such trade now, we are moving from what is it called? We are still within the leg and we continue to move down. Even though personally, I told you I'm not taking any aggressive entry, at least for now. So, and having such level, I was hoping and anticipating to take lower time frame liquidity stuff. So, but it didn't play out that way. So I missed out on the trade anyway. So when I tried to take some lower time frame something, it was manipulated. And at the same time, we spotted it that it really did came back to the level and give us exactly what we're looking for. And still within the structure, consider we've broken this low now. And personally, we believe that market has shifted to the right side of the market. So what we're anticipating from this leg now here happens to be our strong guy, as we can see. So that will be our strong guy. Will be anticipating creation of weak low within this level. So, but last week I talked about this particular level here. I talked about coming down to this level, on daily, anticipating some price action within this leg. That at least we can use that one to send price up within this something. So we can be anticipating some kind of price action within this particular level going forward. And as we can see, what we'll be anticipating is the complete movement of this level into our something short position. If we try to take it the way we planned it yesterday, then we will see that the price something we are still expecting is still very much. If peradventure we are going with 1 to 5, I will be coming down into this level. But if you are comfortable taking it out on 1 to 3, it would have already hit your TP. So without wasting time, we are anticipating some kind of reaction from this level. So it is within this level that we'll be waiting for to kind of catch the something. And overall, I talked about this level being weak high and this level, and the kind of rejection we spotted from here was from this particular leg here. So I guess we'll be looking to begin to trade from all those levels, I guess. So that's where we'll be anticipating something from. We'll be anticipating it from this level. And I'm trying to decode some certain things now within the market, you know, because of the fact that the lower time frame analysis that I'm currently using, there is a setup that I usually look for when it comes to lower time frame liquidity generation and taking. So, but most times that liquidity is just being generated and taken without any proper something. So, it will just be generated even within price movements that are not a very good and nice one. If we check 4 hour, if we check through daily, we see some levels from within the something that we take the trace from, and it is within this particular leg. Now, I talked about this leg in my previous few videos, and we check it on 5 minutes. We try and see the kind of reaction that it generates from the level. So what it did here was just creating the shift. It just give us MSS from within the leg, and it continued to move down without giving us any proper uh, liquidity something before. And the only place I guess I was able to spot that was within this leg here, within something around this level. I guess I'm going to study that later. So then automatically we have another reaction from within another leg here that is giving us some kind of vibes. So I'm kind of leaning towards just picking my daily range from daily for our pick our daily range from daily and 4 hour. That's what we've been doing. Then it is from within those levels that we'll be anticipating some kind of reaction. But we spotted some things within this particular leg here. If we look at it closely, we have some kind of reaction from those particular leg within when the price was going. And it was a very, very clear price action that gave us something to, and that happened around this area here. We have the liquidity being taken from here, and we have the shift, and it continued to move up within that leg, and it was created after a shift was generated, and we are anticipating price action to come down to this level before before the price movement improve. So if we are within those legs, we can just be looking for price continuation from all those particular levels. So we just continue. If you look closely to these levels, we see what price is just doing within all those legs. So even though price action is not that clear within this time period, we just have to chill it out, see, and try to see what we can capitalize on higher time frame. So I guess that's what we'll be doing, at least for now. So what we are anticipating, since we are already within this trade and we are waiting for it to materialize, we will also be anticipating some kind of level from within this place. So I guess that will be all for now. So we won't be taking aggressive entry here. Personally, I won't, because the something will be too big, or I'll be anticipating creation of internal internal liquidity from within this leg. So our anticipation still lies here. Our TP lies within this level. So we'll be watching out for this level. So that will be all, at least for today. If we are able to, if price is able to get to within this level, then we'll try and see what we can capitalize on from within that level. That'll be all, at least for today. Thank you very much. Have a lovely and profitable day. God bless us all.